Kani ka All India Radio Shillong paralok nong ngam ginwa na maspiha kani ka por ya ka kubor ka bakarpang ka bayday bat u COVID-19. Ha Meghalaya inong pang COVID-19 mamarway jong kani ka July la yo ya ka report negative ni bamdan shu yo knyang jingpang ha ka test ka balami menta ka sngi. Menta ka Meghalaya kam don shu ya kinong pang COVID-19 barkan simport arhway sngi ban yo penbanaya ka Meghalaya kum ka green zone lada dan ba yo knyang jingpang ha kini ki arhway sngi. Menteri rong ba ka Meghalaya konrat ki sangmau ong baya mentahi ka Meghalaya kalalat nya ka jingte knyang jingpang corona da ka result negative ka balami na inong pang ya bakhat do jong kani ka jelang. Wala kata ka long kabadan kam bandang perkengi ki kendon te dakam namar ki dang don shibon ki try jela ki balwan pai shnong na kim taba pher jong kri India. Menteri rang ba ong ba ka long shisha ka kam ka bajuat banya khun bat budde ni ki phau hajar ngot ki breu ki bawan pai sha ka jela la jong. Kat bala la ka bor ka jela ka lapan kre banya khun ni ka ni ka jing e da ka jing persang barat ba haki ka dan ki ba pher. Ha ka bedai ba ka jing bo iki jaka kerpang ha ka ni ka jela ban penbiang iki tu ki breu ki bawan nabar menteri rang ba ong ba ka sarkar kan sa perkhat ya ki jing terwa bala terwa di balam kristan bar ki ken huon ki ba pher ki bala ai kelut men si me la ki yeng bat ki we ki tiar ban pendan kam na ka banta ka te ki jing thmu kon rat sang ma ulo ong ru ba ka Meghalaya ka dei ka we ni ki jela ha ka than chate lam mingi ka ba biang ya ka jaka ban test si ki nong pang covid bat lanang pen klan shu ya ka jing test ha ka ni ka jela. Menteri rang ba ka Meghalaya konrat ki sangma ha ka ro khubor jong uhne ka sngi ulo ong ba ka retest ka ba ar jong inong pang covid mamarwe jong ka jela kalami negative ne khot nyok nyang jingpang mentala la ban penbana ye ti nong pang ba ila yo ya ka jingkot ka bapura tat hadu menta khat lai ngot ki breu ki la yo ka covid-19 ha Meghalaya ha ka ba khat ar ngot na pedeng jong ki la kot bat uwe ula khlat no. Ka Joint Action Committee JAC COVID-19 hakat khan rangblang kaladap shna bat penbiang ya ka jaka sa bakerpang jangki brio ki bawan rung sha ka te ka than ya ka bala penyeng ha madan sotlang harangblang Southwest Khasi Hills District. Kandai tri ki shnong ka than rangblang ki lai trelang hapo jang kalama Joint Action Committee COVID-19 rangblang banyo pendep ya ka te ka jing tre ka bakerki ban shna trap hamadan sotlang ha ka khatlai tri ujemmang ar hajar arpho khanang ban penbiang samla pulia jong ketika than kiba pulia shabar shnong bat wan pai shala ka yeng hapadeng jong ka khlam usong konor jong ka JAC rang belang ba i yau phnyau ong ba kila persang da ketika lat namar ba kiba bon ni kilong yeng long sem kim biang jaka sa satya ban bu penkerpang ya ki khon kiba wan pai ki kendon trekam bala penmi da ka tanat ki kampo yeng jaka sarkar India kala pensyai ya ki an ki ban trekam ha ka ri barok awe ban te la kam ya ka jingpang khlam covid-19 ba ki te ki an kin long ha barok ki jaka pat ba bat ha ki jaka trekam la pelong kongsan ya ka jingpong ya ki mask ki jingmana ban bia ni ha ki jaka pat ba ni ha ki kali bat la raja ba yap briu an ai jing betang ar phongut ki briu ba kin don ha ka por pen khot ya ka met ka sarkar kala hukum ru bade ban penbiang ki jaka sai kiti la nebo da ki hand sanitizer ha man la ki krdap shnong bat ban thawru ya ka jingshet ha ka met jong ki briu ki bawan rung thamai ha ki jaka tre de banya paji para briu bat de banya bon than ha ki kamra trekam UMLA ka Seng Congress na mausun ramu ba Himalaya syang pliang ula dawa bade ban test COVID-19 ni ki briu ki ba syang basa ha ki ban takhapot ka India bat Bangladesh ha Meghalaya ka jing dawa jong ba syang pliang kalami hadin ka jing yo khubor bala danu nong pang COVID-19 ha ka shnong Dharmapur ha Sunamganj district jong kari Bangladesh ka ba jangai tang kumbasan spa mitar na ka yo ringku ka ba don ha block Mawson Ram East Khasi Hills district jong ka Meghalaya ulai thuru ba ula dep pentip show menteri rang ba konrat sangmai ketika khubor bat kerpat ya uban penlong ya ka jing test ka badan kam na ka benta ki briu baro ki ba syang basa hau put ke India bat Bangladesh ha ka joko por ba syang pliang ula kerpat ru ya menteri ki kampo yang ka sarkar Meghalaya uba lakmen remboy ban khotno da ka jing lang ka bekerki ha pare director general jong ki pulit ka Meghalaya bat inspector general ka BSF khanang banyo bishar banya ya ka longkaman jong ka jing por ka khlam ha Bangladesh ka lat thalabo dorbar chnong Jowai East Giant Hills District ya ka ka bangi laban ongkom ka lat thalabo model ne ka nuksa pen ina lat thalabo kalapan kre bhai la dia banya kunting la da jabuan lap ka khlam ka nugo ko por da ka jingrai jong ka sarkar Meghalaya ban wanya lami ki briu la jong ki basakut shabar jong ka jela ka shnong lat thalabo kalapan kre stat ya ki lat trekam ki bakerpang Kador bar chnong kala thau ya ka komiti trekam ka bakerpang ban penthi kena ya ka jingbet jingbiang jong kitu kibrio ki bon phai she shnong na ka kibenta ba pher jong kari kala pan yare la ka trek ta jong ka da ka ba snok ti lang bat kiwe ki dong khanang banyo penbiang kham jana ya ka jingdon kam ka baker ki ka khubor ka bakerpang ka bede ka COVID-19 kala wan shpi na ka All India Radio Shillong sngom habat na parmenta se ka program ka banbot.
This is All India Radio Shillong, and we now bring you a special roundup on COVID-19 from the regional news unit of All India Radio Shillong. With a lone active case testing negative on Monday, Meghalaya is free of any COVID-19 active case and will take another 21 days to be declared as a green zone only if no fresh active case is detected during that period. Informing that the 12th patient has tested negative and the state is COVID-free for now, Meghalaya Chief Minister, however, said that the state cannot lower its guard considering the fluid situation and number of stranded people coming in from all across the country. Stating that it is a challenging operation to deal with the thousands of people coming in, the Chief Minister said that the state has prepared itself at various levels and stands prepared to deal with it. On ramping up the quarantine facilities in the state, the Chief Minister said that the government is looking into the suggestions and offers made by the churches and communities to use their infrastructure for community quarantine. He also informed that as far as testing facilities is concerned, the state is one of the well-equipped in the northeast and the testing rates has been increased considerably. The state had registered 13 COVID cases and until yesterday there were 11 recovered, 1 active and 1 dead. With the 12th patient testing negative and declared recovered today, the number of active COVID cases is 0. The Joint Action Committee on COVID-19 Rangblang area completed building the quarantine center at Madan Sotalang in Rangblang, southwest Khasi Hills district. 9 villages from Rangblang area has joined together under